crispy chocolate chip cardamom cookies. In a bowl, add 3 cups of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of salt, and mix together. Let's set that aside for now. In another bowl, add 3/4 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of jaggery sweetener. You may also use regular sugar, and whisk together. Add in 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until smooth. Now gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Keep on stirring until they are evenly combined. Stir in the chocolate chips now if you prefer to have them inside the cookie instead of on top. Cover the dough and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take about 1.5 tablespoons of dough and shape it into a ball. Make 5 more dough balls and place them 2 inches apart on an ungreased baking pan. You can use parchment paper for easier cleanup from the pan. Gently press chocolate chips on top. This also flattens the dough. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once the cookies are done, cool them for about 3 to 4 minutes on the baking pan. Use a thin spatula to remove them. Transfer the cookies to a wire rack to finish cooling. Cookies can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days.